नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Third eye, one of the most discussed, analyzed, debated, argued, and most misunderstood subject. Please understand, what is third eye? Let me define. Third eye is an intra-organ. You really have it. Which can be awakened, which can directly be part of your day-to-day life. Third eye and awakening the third eye is not just mystical alone. It can be directly experienced in your very physical plane. It has a clear, defined powers which can add to your day-to-day life, not just exploring the mystical path and spiritual experiences. It can directly help you experience so many extraordinary things in your day-to-day life. Almost all religions, all spiritual groups, whether it is ancient and tribal based or very modern secret groups, all spiritual groups have worked on third eye because that's the most easiest, most powerful way of awakening yourself to the higher dimensions. Awakening yourself to the higher dimensions whatever you are seeing with these two eyes are not reality and not enough. Please understand, whatever you see with the two eyes are not reality and not enough. Third eye makes you see the higher reality externally in your day-to-day life and internally in your life and death journey. Third eye is one of the powerful energy center in your body. It is located between both eyebrows where I have this red color kumkum. To tell you honestly, there are some subjects when I start speaking about, I am stuck for words because so much need to be told. So much need to be told. Whatever introduction I am giving it to you about third eye looks very pearl, very little. When I see the reality of the third eye, I can say it is just third eye. Everything is centered on third eye. Whether the lifestyle practices or rituals or spiritual practices belong to all spiritual traditions. Everything is centered on third eye. Awakening the third eye makes you immediately experience God. I can say God minus third eye is man, man plus third eye is God. God minus third eye is man, man plus third eye is God. Third eye is called Chakra Raja, king of chakras. That's the last chakra. The crown center is not actually chakra, it's an opening. The third eye is the last chakra, an ultimate chakra in your body. All the different energy centers in your body is ruled by third eye chakra. It's called Ajna chakra in Sanskrit. It means literally the seat of the will power. Will. Ajna means will. That's the seat of the will power. Ajna chakra. Will power. Chakra Raja. The third eye is the king of all chakras, energy centers. If that one energy center can be awakened, all the energy centers can be awakened. That is why in Hindu tradition, the various pilgrimage centers are identified with the different chakras. But Varanasi, the pilgrimage center of Hinduism, is associated with third eye. That is called as a third eye center. The Ajna Chakra Sthala, Varanasi. People ask me, what happens to you when you activate your third eye? Actually, I can't say. You can't explain to a born blind man what happens to him when he gets the vision. How much ever you try, you can't explain all the dimensions. Actually, when you activate the third eye, only then the real vision about the life happens to you. You start seeing the reality. You start seeing the truth as it is. Seeing only with two eyes and living, making decisions, seeing through the third eye, living and making decisions, these two lifestyles can never be compared. I can't even say, with the awakening of the third eye, you will get a lot of intuition power or other spiritual powers. No. Let me be very honest. When you awaken the third eye, your whole life will be different. What ordinary people call as intuition will be your lifestyle. What individuals call as spiritual powers, that will be your lifestyle. It is not easy to describe the difference. I am telling you, the truths about the third eye was never believed by mass because it seems too good to be true. Too good to be true. When I declared, if your third eye is awakened, you can see with closed eyes. Your ordinary two eyes are not required for seeing or perceiving, recognizing things. People felt it was too good to be true. When I declared at the age of 12, when I had the third eye awakening, with closed eyes I was able to see 360 degree. People really felt it was too good to be true. But today you are going to have a live demonstration of not just me doing. The kids of the Gurukul demonstrating the power of third eye awakening. When your third eye is awakened, not just your intuition will be awakened. Just understand this one example. A person who is standing in a road and seeing both sides. How much he can see? He may be able to see 100 meter this side, 100 meter this side. But if a person is standing on the 10th floor and seeing the same road, he can see 1 kilometer this side, 1 kilometer that side. So a person who is standing on the 10th floor, if he says a lorry is coming or a Benz car is coming, the person who is standing on the ground, he will think, no, it is not there. How can he say it is coming? Few minutes, it will come. So the person who is standing on the ground will think the person who is standing on the 10th floor is having intuition. It is not intuition, it is in tune with reality. When your third eye is awakened, you will be able to see everything from the higher plane. So you will be in tune with the reality. People ask me, can it help me in my material growth? I tell you, it will help you in everything. In your health, you will be able to see through your body. I have seen so many siddhas. They will just scan their body with closed eye. They know where the problem is and heal it. Very soon you can expect my kids doing X-ray and scanning. You will see they will be demonstrating. Just by seeing a person, they will diagnose them. Today I am going to demonstrate the blindfold reading. Now I am demonstrating the power of third eye awakening to the whole world in front of all of you. And I am also declaring now, I will be taking my Gurukul kids to the next level where they will be able to just see a person and diagnose whether he has a kidney stone or tumor in any part of the body or a heart blockage. They will just be able to scan. I just need to educate them in body anatomy, that's all, and sharpen this power. These powers of awakening third eye will help you to achieve health, and not only you will be able to diagnose, you will be able to just command your body to get back to health, because the third eye is the seat of willpower. When Kundalini is activated there, when third eye is activated there, to tell you honestly, the moment third eye is activated, Kundalini is activated, alive in your third eye, you can get anything you will. That is why it is called Ajna Chakra. Your will be honored by the cosmos. Your will be honored by the cosmos. When I utter through words, it looks too good to be true. But life itself is too good to be true. Understand, life is not curse. Life is not just good. It is too good to be true. It will help you in your health. It will help you to have beautiful relationships. You will just know the person, not his actions. You will just know people, not actions. You will be able to speak into people's listening, help people to achieve completion. You will be easily able to achieve anything you want with people. You will be able to achieve anything you want, whether it is a wealth or blissful relationships, material comforts and luxury, ultimately completion and enlightenment. You will be able to achieve anything. You will be able to experience anything. Through this awakening of third eye. The third eye is blocked by your decision to be comfortable, cozy with arrogance and ego. Let me define arrogance and ego. Your decision to carry on with your life with the small informations and your false identity built with the small information given to you about you is arrogance and ego. Your decision to carry on with your life having you, which is built with very less informations about you. It is like when you are young, the informations you receive about you and others, which are not completely complete. If you received the information, you are insecure, you need to be protecting yourself, you are powerless, you are weak, you are ignorant, and building your identity based on those informations and continue to live with it. Building your identity based on less wrong, misguided informations is ego. Continuing to carry on with the same ego is arrogance. This too blacks your third eye. Spending little time and recognizing you by internalizing some of the truths from the Upanishads, understanding what is you, and after understanding you in a real sense, living with that understanding makes this third eye open. Now, I wanted first the demonstration by the Gurukul kids whose third eyes are already awakened. You will have a live demonstration now by some of our Gurukul kids whose third eye is already awakened. Then I'll continue to expand on answering some of your questions. And also explaining methodology to awaken your third eye. So now I'm inviting the Gurukul kids and the Gurukul Acharyas, Mahadvait and Sri Advait, to come and do the demonstration of the power of the third eye. Even I can do blindfold reading, but I will start reading Akashic records. That is why I am letting the kids read, do the blindfold reading.
We welcome you all for this demonstration of the third eye awakening. Swamiji has blessed the Gurukul children with this wonderful Siddhi. And today we have Ma Viraja and Ma Nandita who are going to be performing this demonstration for all of you. So the third eye awakening is what we use is we have a double blindfold that we put on the children and then they will be reading. We request somebody from the audience who can come and help us. Anybody who's a skeptic, who doesn't think that this works. I was myself before I met Swamiji a few years ago. So I didn't know that these things happen. There's something called spirituality and the siddhis and the signs of enlightenment. So there's nothing wrong to come and try and experience it in person. Anybody? Anyone volunteer, please, from the audience? Anybody, especially if you are, from the police department or you're a lawyer or from the judiciary who have a different eye to see. So what we will have right now is we will show, we basically, as part of the blindfold, we have the black color cloth that goes up on the eye, and then between the cloth and the eye we also put a tissue paper. So this makes sure that there is no light that goes through between the nose bridge and the cloth. So to make sure that absolutely no light passes through, so we have that. So now we are going to put the, okay, please. So you can check. This is,
You can put it on your eyes.
you can actually try it. It's, your name, please? Mr. Parmesh Gowda, and you're from?
I am Parmesh Gowda. I am from Bangalore. I am running an advertisement agency in Bangalore. So just we started, and I want to see this, and I heard about this blind reading, and I want to experience it. That's why I came here, and we'll see all of us.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we also have with us your name.
Basraj Loganathan
Okay.
from Tirupattur. Basraj Loganathan from Tirupattur.
Okay.
So I wish to experience this blindfold.
Great. Thank you.
And
very
also
much.
very much impressed.
Thank you. So you can just feel this is a tissue paper, regular tissue paper that we use in our homes, and then we also have the blindfold. If you can just put it on him, so that he can know that there's no light that passes through. Are you able to see anything, sir? No. Mike. Yeah. Are you able to see anything?
No.
Okay.
I'm not seeing anything.
Okay, so you're not seeing anything. So we are going to do the same thing for the children also.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we'll have with Ma Viraja. So we place, can you please close your eyes? So please close your eyes. So we place the tissue and then cover the eyes. So we are using the same blindfold that our friend used it here on stage, through which he said that he could not see, Mr. Gowda. So we have used the same blindfold. So now we have this, Mahaviraja is ready with the blindfold, and we are going to have Mr. Gowda write something. Can you please?
So it's a plain paper we are giving to Gowda.
Yeah. So Mr. Gowda is going to write something. You can write few words, please. So now we are going to show you in the camera what has been written, and then we will now pass, after that we will pass the so this is what. So now we are going to show the same thing to the child. Can you please show it to the child, Mahaviraja?
Bill, mother, flower, red.
So whatever was written, Mahaviraja was able to read it. So, sir, so you think what she read is correct?
Yeah, correct.
Great, thank you. So maybe you can write, we'll ask, yeah, you can write something now. It can be a sentence. Okay, so can you show it in the camera, please? So, we are now going to, what you're seeing on the screen, we are now going to show it to Mahaviraja. Yeah, can you, Mahaviraja?
Om Nityanandaya Namaha. Swamiji, can you do everything?
So, Bhaskara, was she able to read everything?
Yes, yes, yes. Ji.
Great. So this is what it is. It's a very simple technique. Once Swamiji has initiated all the children, and they have been very successful in reading everything blindfold with the third eye awakened.
Yeah, now he can write in Kannada, and we are going to ask Ma Nandini to perform.
So now,
We have the same. You can take this.
so
ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು.
sir, did she read it correctly?
Nityanandam, if anybody has any book also, you can come and ask her to get to any page, and you can ask her to read. Do anybody have any book?
Okay.
Like while he's writing some more lines.
Okay. So here we have your name, sir?
Shankar.
Shankar. So Shankar has bought his book here. Okay, so it's his. So he's going to show. Can you please show that book in the camera, please? So, yeah, Manandita, can you read what is written? What do you see?
Gandhiji's picture. And is it, okay, Bhajan Diary 2014. And there are two pictures here. And it's written GGF, Gandhi Global Family.
Okay.
And there's a symbol here.
So, Mr. Shankar, was she able to tell everything?
How can it possible, sir?
So, how is it possible? Just now Swamiji explained, and I'm sure you will also be experiencing that. It's the initiation of the third eye.
Yes, any page number you can tell her, and she can also read. You can tell her any page number, she will pick it up. She'll open the page number. Yeah.
No,
Anybody has
from,
any
from
book?
his diary. Oh. Yeah. Okay. You can show any page. Yeah.
I don't have a page number, but I...
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, you can give it to her. Okay, show it on the screen. So from his diary, he's showing one of the page. And now we will ask Ma Nandita to read it.
जिस प्रकार प्रकाश गहरे से गहरे अंधकार का मुकाबला कर सकता है, उसी प्रकार सत्यात्मा भी बड़ी से बड़ी विरोधी ताकत का मुकाबला कर सकता है. गांधी.
So, can you read on the other side of the page?
National language, economic equality, peasants, labor, advices, lepers, students, women, service of cow. Gandhi warned the people against 7 social sins: politics without principles, women, wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, commons without nobility, science without humanity, worship without sacrifice.
I can't believe that. I can't believe myself.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
It's amazing, sir. Really amazing. I don't think it's a magic.
Yes.
Great. Great.
Right. Thank you very much for volunteering, and thank you very much. We enjoyed presenting this demonstration to all of you. Thank you very much. Nityananda.
I am back. Please understand, and I have one more good news. I have evolved the technique of awakening the third eye to the next level. Now even adults are able to see colors and start reading. Please understand, now I evolved a technique to awaken the third eye of even the adults. The technique is very successfully working. Now we know for sure, even for adults it is possible to experience the third eye awakening completely and literally radiate the powers of the third eye. That's the main thing. Radiate the powers of the third eye. Somebody was telling me, it is not all about being superhuman. It's about being human is super. I say, no, relax. Being human is okay. Being superhuman is only superhuman. It is possible. Understand? When you don't know the possibility, being human is great, no doubt, but don't put that as an end of the human possibilities. Being human can be praised, but not as a goal. Please understand, these extraordinary powers and capabilities are possible. It is a science. It is reproducible. If just I do it, it will be called as miracle. Mainstream media will brush it aside as miracle or magic. That is why at least now I have 500 kids able to do, radiate the power of the third eye. Already I have produced at least 500 kids whose third eye is awakened, who are able to radiate the same power. And now I am telling you, I'll produce at least few thousand more people, kids, adults, in next few months with this power, who have awakened their third eye, who are experiencing their third eye awakening, and who are able to radiate this power of third eye. Please understand, it is possible for you. I am not demonstrating these superpowers, extraordinary powers as my glory. I am demonstrating all this as your possibility. I am demonstrating all this not to tell it is my glory. I am demonstrating all this just to tell you it is your possibility. And Varanasi is Shiva's third eye. Understand? Varanasi is Shiva's third eye. Varanasi means in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, the literal meaning of that word Varanasi means the space between eyebrows and nose. Varanasi. The place between eyebrows and the nose. Shiva's third eye is Varanasi. Now, the inner awakening program, which is going to happen in Varanasi, is completely centered on third eye and Shivoham process. Experiencing you are Shiva with the powers of Shiva. Not just the peace and bliss experience of Shiva with the expressions of Shiva. Understand? You are not just going to experience Shiva, you are going to express Shiva. That is why the Varanasi inner awakening is not just going to be inner awakening, it is outer awakening also. Once it is awakened, it is permanent. Please understand, once your eyes are opened, it is permanent. Only thing, the dangers in the third eye awakening is doing it on your own, trying some techniques on your own without the direct guidance of a guru is dangerous. That can lead to many side effects like mental problems, disorders, or headache, the physical and mental disorders. So don't try on your own without the direct guidance of an enlightened being, without the direct guidance of an incarnation. Don't try it on your own. The techniques I have designed are most safe. To tell you honestly, I have not even designed this technique. I took it from Shaivagamas, Mahadeva's teachings to Devi. I took it from that and organized it. Only the permutation combination is my contribution. Otherwise, the original technique is from Shaivagamas. I have taken this techniques, organized it. It is time-tested, foolproof. No wrong, bad, ill side effects. The only side effect is bliss, knowledge, and enlightenment. Not only that, please understand, when these kids use the third eye, more and more, the patterns and engrams engraved in the brain will start getting completed. They will achieve more and more completion because they are using consciousness. The more you use the consciousness, more you become the consciousness. More you become the consciousness, the more you use consciousness. Soon, you will be having a webinar and demonstration for 2 more subjects. One, completely black ears, they will be able to hear any sound. Medically, foolproof way we will black their ears, they will be able to hear any sound and repeat. You will have a demonstration soon for that. And next, adults doing the blindfold reading. And next important thing, I'm going to make this third eye awakening and blindfold reading into the next level of practical usage. They will be able to see any patient and just diagnose and tell the patient, this is your problem. They will be able to see anybody. No X-ray, ECG, CT scan is necessary for these kids. They will straight give the diagnosis of any patient, any person. We will demonstrate this and prove it scientifically. Maybe I need next 3 months. That's all, because I have to educate the kids with the basic anatomy. Only then they will know the difference. When there is a blockage or problem, only then they will know. I just need time to educate the kids on the human anatomy. Once that is done, you will have the next demonstration. It will be 100% foolproof diagnosis of body and already I have initiated the kids into reading whatever a person visualizes as are things, means reading the thoughts, reading the mind, and kids are successfully able to do it. Soon you will have the demonstration on all these sciences also, expressing the great powers which is in every one of you. With this, I wanted to give you the basic meditation technique to work on your third eye. I really wanted to awaken all your third eye today, if I have enough time, or if you all have enough time. So now, based on the time available, I'll at least give you the first level technique or the first process to awaken your third eye, which last few days I am initiating all the ashramites. All the ashramites, Ananda Yogam, the Diploma Vedic Science students, the priests who are getting trained, everyone is getting initiated in the ashram into this process. I'll initiate all of you into that process. Listen to the technique properly. Now, this technique is a two-part. First part, with your open eyes, start visualizing the center of your forehead, means where I have the kumkum, the red dot. Center of that spot in you, means your third eye, is open. Actually, the third eye is round color, red color. That's the reason we have this kumkum. It's a scientific, logically, scientifically provable system. So visualize your third eye is open. You are looking through the third eye. First few minutes it will be little difficult, but you will catch it within 4 or 5 minutes. Let your eyes be open, but look through your third eye. See, visualize, feel you are looking through your third eye. This is the first step. Second step, close your eyes, visualize the intense golden light is entering into your being and functioning on your third eye, actively getting centered on your third eye. Please understand. The first step is visualizing. You are looking through your third eye, and now my third eye photograph will be projected. Look into my third eye. Look through your third eye to my third eye. First step. Second step, close your eyes and visualize intense light. Golden light is entering into your body from above, the sky, entering into your head and getting centered, functioning, active on your third eye. I'll guide you step by step. Now, please keep your eyes open and gaze at my third eye. Gaze at my third eye. Visualize you are looking through your third eye. Between your eyebrows, there is a red color hole. Visualize you have a red color hole between your eyebrows, and intensely look at my third eye. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Shiva. Your eyes can be open, but visualize you are looking through the third eye. Shiva, Shambhavi, Om, Hreem, Kundalini, Kula Kundalini, Shiva. Now, close your eyes. Visualize the heavy white light, golden light is landing on your head from the cosmos and getting activated and centered on your third eye. Close your eyes and visualize the energy entering through your head and getting activated and centered on your third eye. Shiva. Kundalini, Kula Kundalini, Shambhavi, Shankari, Shiva, 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 Banashankari, Banashankari. Om Hreem Sa Ka Ha La Hreem Ha Sa Ka La Hreem Ka Ye Yi Shiva. 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 Shiv. 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 Shambhavi. Bhairavi. Shiv. 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 Now, again, you can open your eyes and gaze at my third eye through your third eye. Look through your third eye to my third eye. Shiv. Om. Hrim. Shivoham. 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 You can open your eyes. Shivoham. 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 With this, I just have a few words. Don't think what the kids performed, my Gurukul kids, Balasans performed, is some magic. It's not magic, it's miracle power. It's a siddhi, which you can also attain. Any of you have a doubt? How is it possible? Bring your kids to our programs. We will awaken the third eye of your kids and show you. You can have somebody in your own house whose third eye is awakened and who is able to read blindfolded. So if you are really interested to awaken your third eye experientially under the guidance of me, bring yourself and your kids to Varanasi. May inner awakening. Let me see you there so that you can see everything in your life. Let me see you in Varanasi so you can see you and everything in life. I just wanted all of you to know it is not magic. It's a clear siddhi, power which comes to you by the awakening of your third eye with a proper process and the initiation of an incarnation. So, anybody has a doubt? Bring your kids to our programs. Bring yourself to our programs. We will train your kids and educate, initiate them. They will also be able to do this same thing. It's not some magic, some street magicians, what they do. No. There's no fraudulence involved in it. There's no magic involved in it. It's a pure spiritual power of third eye and miracle power of third eye. So, I invite all of you to come to Varanasi and experience this technique. Experience this technique to awaken the third eye and not only experiencing Shivoham, expressing Shivoham. Not only experiencing I am Shiva, not only experiencing you are Shiva, expressing yourself with powers of Shiva, bliss of Shiva, and all the extraordinary powers of Shiva. So, I welcome all of you to come and experience awakening of the third eye in Varanasi, which is third eye of Mahadeva, in May Inner Awakening program. So with this, I bless you all. This technique which I initiated you now, you can practice this every day. This is the first step to awaken your third eye. Practice this every day. At least for next 21 days, you will experience awakening of the third eye and Kundalini Shakti in the third eye. And now, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.